I'm Georgia Monroe, and my husband and I, Jordan Monroe, and we both own Basecamp Farms. Basecamp Farms is a specialty cut flower farm, and so we grow specialty cut flowers that you would see in bouquets and wedding work and grocery stores. We grow those type of flowers. We've been working for over 18 months for this brand new pavilion, and so we've been able to build it from the ground up. It just got completed, and so we are starting to offer it for weddings and events here for our community. And we're ready to start hosting small, like 100 people or less events, so weddings, anniversary parties, corporate parties, workshops, we can do it all. We also have a guest cottage on our property that can be included as well. We do offer wedding design, and so we can do floral packages. I love being able to share those flowers with our community and just be able to touch people's lives in a very tangible